Hey guys, good afternoon from Jakarta, Indonesia. YB0AR Ferry. Yeah, I got a problem with my balloons. We have the heavy rains and thunderstorm 2 days ago and changed the new ones. Yeah, it's a 3 5 meter standing tower hombro and 2 element full size Yagi hombro. Yes, the antenna man is Sulis uh, from Jakarta, Eastern Jakarta. It's set up the new balloon, replace the new balloon, and then for a 2 element full size Yagi, monoband home row, and root 3 dipole 20 meter interlace in sim tower. Yeah, this tower is home row, a 3 5 meter standing tower home row. Okay, thanks again. See you on the 40 meters in the low end season. 73 Yankee Bravo Zero Alpha Radio. Bye bye.